Okay guys, so I just received my daughter's birthday gift. Her birthday, what's today's date? I don't even know. It's June 20 something, I think. Her birthday is July 9th. It's, a pamper, a bottle. So it's a magnet passy. Love that. So she does have a magnet in her. Look at this cutie. She's so adorable. And a shirt that says, "Ain't no mama like the one I got." Wrap her in a blanket. I see how people can like these, well, young adults, kids.
The one you showed me?
Yeah.
No.
Why?
It's here?
Yeah.
Sure. It's
You ready, Yomi?
Yeah.
You ready to get your birthday gift?
Yeah.
Okay, sit on the bed. You want it now or later?
Now.
Now? Okay. You'll see. Why are you looking?
What is that?
You ready? Here you go.
What is it?
Open it up.
Wow!
You like it?
Yeah. Oh, you took off your earring. Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. What is it?
yeah, I see it.
Look at my shadow. Right there, it's behind you.
Hold your granddaughter.
Man, get this thing away from me. Ew.
How do you?
Put her pacifier on.
I need to go.
That's it. That's all you have to do, Chase. It's a magnet.
Wait, what? Wait, what? Whoa, that's cool.
Carlos, we often hear about the importance of day-to-day consistency.
I like my baby.
You do?
Yeah. Look at her gum. Yeah. Look at her gum.
Her gum?
Yeah. I like that.
You do?
It says goo goo gaga.
Is she so cute?
Yeah.
Where'd the other earring go? So the earrings are gonna fall off. Need some better ones. What's her name?
Elsa.
No, let's pick a different name.
What?
I don't know. Pick a different name.
Why is she heavy though?
She's like a real baby.
And why are the legs like this? Squishy. Where's the milk?
She has a bottle in the basement.
Can you get it? Nope. Can you get it?
Yomi,
Her ugly.
then give her back to me.
No.
She's mine now.
No.
You said she's ugly.
I'm sorry.
Hey guys, so it's Yomi's birthday. I'm trying to distract her